Don't you just love that sinking feeling when your iPhone won't charge? Yeah, me neither. So there I was, staring at a dead iPhone and a looming mountain of work. OTPs, product keys, you name it. They were all waiting on this little device to charge. Panic mode activated, but then I discovered the most satisfying iPhone life hack ever. Grab a very small flathead screwdriver like 3/64 size, a toothpick or paper clip, gently, and I mean gently. Insert it into the charging port and start to move from the left side to the right and out. And then from the right to the left and out, and couple of times. You'd be amazed at the gunk you'll find in there. Carefully remove all that dirt. It's like giving your iPhone a spa day. After that, plug in your charger, wait about 15 minutes, and voila! My iPhone was back to life, charging like a champ. No more stressing over missed OTPs or urgent emails. Problem solved, one DIY hack at a time. So, if this helped save your day, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick fixes to everyday problems. Your iPhone will thank you.